Hey y'all, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing a little short video on this Makita Impact XPS Mag Boost little adapter. So now you might think this is like the old adapter where you could slide this down the shaft of your bit. That's not going to be the case with this one. This is going to be more like this one here. We did a video on this before, and yeah, so what this does is, let's get it out of the package. I already had it out, I just wanted to show you what it came in. Alright, see any similarities there? In fact, it looks worse than this one, but anyway. So how this works is you put your bit in this way, like that, and now it'll hold your screw. Okay, but you can't slide it all the way down to get into tight places, like say if you had a thin hole that this bit had to go into. Well, you're not getting that. So this is more for like sheetrocking and stuff like that. This isn't for taking tools apart or trying to fix things. So this is the Makita Mag Boost. So if you're a drywaller or whatever, you're building decks and you need something to hold that screw on there, that's what this is for. It's not for magnetizing your whole bit like this other one is. You remember this one, right? This one you can slide all the way down your bit and it magnetizes the whole thing. You could magnetize it like this, and it'll magnetize your whole bit, see? But with this one, you're limited to just the tip, right? And it does hold the screw good, but yeah, here's a screw. So it does hold the screw good like that, see? It holds it nice and flat. You can get started. It's a great tool for drywalling and doing decks. Same goes with this one. I forget what bits go in this one though. See, this is opposite. So this comes off, and you put this bit in, then you slide this back on top. And see, this is different. See, this one is yeah, this is only for the small bits. So yeah. So anyway, that's what the Mag Boost is all about. It's just for the tip. And some bits are worse than others. Some bits don't fit right. This is mainly for a bit like this. See? And this front piece is what's magnetized and holds your screw really good. Alright, so if you're building them, you might want to get the Makita Mag Boost. If not, if you're taking tools apart, you want to get something like this. But I don't even know if they sell these anymore. I did videos on these earlier, maybe last year, the year before. Anyway, guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you what this Mag Boost was all about and how it was like the other Mag Boost thing. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.